Romeo and Juliet Act 2, Scene 1 takes place in a place hidden from the public, a small area concealed by a wall outside of the Capulets' home. The crescendo of the Capulets' party in the previous scene has ebbed away, leaving Romeo alone to contemplate his love for Juliet. As the scene begins, Romeo's friends, Mercutio and Benvolio, are in search for him not far from the Capulets' home. After Mercutio's attempt to mock Romeo's love for Rosaline by referring to her in crude sexual banter doesn't coax him out of hiding, they decide he doesn't want to be found and leave him alone. Unknown to them, Romeo did not return home, preferring to stay hidden within an overgrowth of trees and flowers, secretly watching the Capulet house in hope of sneaking a glimpse of his newly beloved Juliet. Romeo now criticizes himself for being blinded by his previous infatuation with Rosaline, as it is nothing compared to his love for Juliet. Immersed in his thoughts, Romeo shares beautiful poetry of his feelings, speaking about his deep and passionate love for Juliet, comparing her to an angel, the moon and stars, and so forth. Romeo glorifies over Juliet's beauty, referring to her as the sun arising, while describing himself as weary and tormented by his feelings. This scene ends with Romeo deciding to stay within the Capulets' grounds, still hidden, hoping to perhaps see Juliet once more. Romeo's soliloquy establishes the depth of his affection for Juliet and sets the stage for the iconic balcony scene, which is to follow in Act 2, Scene 2. The intense love Romeo feels for Juliet and his complete disregard for the dangers this could bring upon him highlight his youth and passion, driving themes in this tale of star-crossed lovers.